So normally before you can join a platform, you would like to find out if the platform really pays out, if it's legit. But sometimes you might be shown payment proofs, but those payment proofs cannot be relied on. Some might be something just made up. Okay, so the thing is, how do you know if these payment proofs are real? How do you know that this platform is paying? So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can actually know if the payment proofs people are sending you, if they are really real or if they are fake. So a few days ago, I joined the WhatsApp group. Okay, and let me just show you the WhatsApp group I joined. Okay, so this is the WhatsApp group I joined. It's called PiggyVest Investment. Okay, but this WhatsApp group has got nothing to do with the real website, which is the PiggyVest, which is this one. So this website over here is actually a real website. It's a big company, but it's mainly based in Nigeria. But this WhatsApp group has got nothing to do with this website. And if you've been watching my videos, you're going to find that most of these platforms are actually created using the names of popular big companies. So these popular big companies has got nothing to do with these websites we are currently seeing around, which promise you money. So in this group, we are going to see some screenshots. For example, this screenshot over here. Okay, I don't know if you can tell if there's anything wrong with this. Okay, so do you believe this screenshot over here? Okay, let me show you another screenshot. So another screenshot. Okay, this is another screenshot. Okay, so do you notice anything wrong with this screenshot? Let me show you some few screenshots so that you can get to see. And for example, this one, let me look for another one. Okay, another screenshot is this one. So if I may ask again, do you find anything wrong with this screenshot? Okay, is this real? So there are a lot of wrong things in these screenshots. Okay, and for you to know if these screenshots are real, okay, you need to understand a few things. So just in case you're not able to know if this screenshot is real and if this payment was really sent, okay, well, then this video is for you. So one thing you should know when it comes to Airtel money, one thing you should pay attention to, okay, is the sender's name. Secondly, you should pay attention to the transaction ID. Okay, if you can clearly see here, okay, these message here, it looks like it was just written by someone and was just forwarded. Okay, and it's possible that you can actually create a contact and name that contact as Airtel Money and send yourself a message from that number. But you can actually see that usually in an Airtel SMS like this, you will never see a slash like this. Secondly, the transaction ID is wrong. So if I click on back, this message was sent on October 12th. Today is actually October 14. So I used to not able to find out what's wrong. Okay, well, let me tell you what's wrong in this screenshot. Today, as you can see, it's 14 October, but this message was sent on 12 October. So if you can check, okay, the transaction ID in Airtel, okay, it plays a big role in knowing if the screenshot is real. So I said that you need to pay attention to the transaction ID. So as you can see, the transaction ID is 2788.281.L2673. This transaction is just written randomly. Okay, why am I saying it was written randomly? So let me show you a real screenshot of how a real Airtel Money receipt looks like. So let me go to my messages. Okay, so here is a real message, which is this one here. So as you can see, this is how it looks like. To be like, dear customer, you have received 320 from the number, then the name, then you'll be told dial *115 to check your new balance. Then there's a transaction ID. So if you can notice on the transaction ID is that The first two digits are actually for the year, so we're in 2022, so this is 2022. Then the second digits are actually for the month, we're in October, so this is 10. Then the last two digits is the day, so this is 13th. So as you can see, this SMS was sent yesterday was 13th. Today it's actually 14th. Okay, then the 7:35, it is the time at which it was sent, so that is 07:35. It was the time the money was sent. Then the last these digits, these are just some unique randomly generated numbers from Airtel. So if you can see, okay, the first two digits, let me repeat again, the first two digits are after the year, which is 2022, followed by the month, which is 10, followed by 13. Okay, then the rest followed by the time at which it was sent, which is 07:35, and you can actually see in the notification there it was sent at 7:35, so that is the time. Okay, I don't know what they stand for, but I'll try to research and find out what they stand for. But if I go back to WhatsApp, okay, so it means this person is living in 2027. So how possible is this? Maybe he's a time traveler or something like that. So these guys are time travelers in this group who are trying to scam others, because it's showing that he's living in 27 and in the month of 88, and the date today is 281, which does not make sense at all. This screenshot does not make sense at all. Let me even show you some more screenshots. So here are some more screenshots. So if you can see, okay, this one is saying 2021 in the month of 22. We do not have a month of 22. Okay, the second screenshot is this one. The second this one does not have an ID. Okay, the third one, okay, this one might be correct. No, it's not correct. Okay, this one is saying you are in 2022, correct, but 11 is for November. We're not yet in November, so this guy is a time traveler. So again, this does not make sense. So well, this video is going too far, so this is it what I had for you to tell you just this very morning, that how you can actually know if the screenshots people are sending to you about claiming to get paid are real. So I know probably the scammers are also watching this video, are probably going to get smart. So I don't know, just be a little bit careful, like when it comes to believing. Okay, and remember, avoid these WhatsApp groups where you have to send money to a person. Okay, it's much better if you're depositing on a website, because at least there are a lot of people who are depositing, and like it's much easier than this. So yeah, this is it about this video. Make sure that you give it a like and subscribe for more. Bye for now. This is Keith Ruins.